some days ago, something happened. What happened was that there is this lady that actually begged me that I should help her to design a flyer for her business, and I just felt like, okay, I have been doing stuff on my own because he has been seeing the flyer I've been doing for some people. I've been designing for some people, so she decided to reach out to me. But unknown to her, I was using AI all along, right? They thought I'm a pro at designing. In fact, I don't know the basic design, but since I discovered AI can do it, why should I stress myself, right? So it's about speed. It's about how we can make things easy for the future and now, right? So that is why I want to do the tutorial here on how you can design anything. I mean, anything at all. Anything at all. You can see it. I posted on the community that I'm going to do the tutorial today. All right. So all you just need to do is follow it step by step, because you're going to need the right prompt to generate the right design, right? So if you have found this channel very helpful so far, please subscribe and join our community. We have a lively community where we post updates on how to make money, how to leverage, how to like financial intelligence and everything, right? So one thing you need to understand again is that we post this update every three days by 4 p.m. Nigeria time. So in the next 3 days, you should check here and you must see another update that will be helpful and also enhance your knowledge, right? So let's go deeper now. All right, so all you just need to do, the first thing is, let's go to Chrome. All right, let's go to Chrome. All right, so some of you will be shocked that I've been using this Chrome already now. Why are you trying to say? When you come to Chrome here, click on this AI mode. All right, some people have been using Grok. Sometimes they will tell you should pay, but this one you don't even need to pay. All right, so you see, I'm here now, I'm on the AI mode. So when you come to the AI mode, you just put the right prompts. All right, let's say you have a picture already. Let me just add a picture. Let me add a picture, like any picture I want to use. Let me use my own picture, and I'll just drop a prompt. All you just need to do is make sure you pay attention to the prompt, because the right prompt is all you need to generate the right image or design, right? So you can see these are the design I've done with this so far, and let me use this picture. All right, so look at the prompt now. I'll now type, using the attached picture, please design a clickable means if anybody pass, the person should be able to look at it like, this is really glaring, let me check in. Okay, let me just say Facebook banner. All right, let me say for SollyCrypto with the following title. All right, okay, then you now drop the title. Let's say the title is information is the new currency. I mean, you can just use anything depending on what you want to do. I'm just doing for the sake of the tutorial, right? So information is the new currency. Okay, let me leave it like this. AI will do the rest. You now click on send. Okay. One of the, I like it this way. One of the things you need to understand is that if you don't give the full information, they will tell you they cannot do this one. You understand? So they said I cannot generate a clickable Facebook banner as I output text and static image rather than interactive web elements. However, I can create a high quality professional static. Okay, let me just click on okay. If you have read it and I understand what they're trying to say, so I'll just say generate. All right, so it's not generating. All right, so what they're trying to say here is that the word I use, this clickable, that clickable is like they have to embed a site inside it. So that word is not really right? So, okay, look at it. Look at it. Look at a professional banner. Look at a professional banner. If I have to do this for you now, you know how much you have to pay. Then let's do it again. Design using the same picture. Design a YouTube. Okay, let me write a YouTube thumbnail on how to trade on Bybit. Okay, let's leave the rest. For the AI to handle. Like if you want to do this for somebody, you can just tell the person, okay, because it is you, I'll do it 5K, I'll do it 2K, depending on how close the person is to you. You see that? If I want to do this for you, crack the code, trade on Bybit, master Bybit now, join the revolution. I did not add all of that, but AI helped me. So maybe after the design after they are through with the design, you don't like it, you want it to be bolder, or you want the person to show excitement, you can just say, okay, I want the picture to show excitement. You can put that again, and you see it's generating another picture for you. I mean, another design for you. So what you need to understand is the right prompt. The right prompt. You can see from the first one, because we use one of the wrong word, which is the clickable. Okay, you can see it here. You can see it here. This word, clickable. That is why they say they cannot do it. All right. So I mean, I'm just doing this as an example. Look at it. Look at it. Look at it. I want the picture to show excitement, and it actually shows excitement. Practice the code. Trade on Bybit. Win big. Master Bybit now. Easy 3-step guide. You understand? So you don't need. But my advice to graphic designer, if you're a graphic designer watching this shouldn't take your job away from you. This should actually improve your job, right? This should allow you to like think of the future, that okay, how am I going to be relevant in the nearest future? Because if you are just someone who don't like learning, honestly, you are a goner already. Honestly, you are a goner, because before you can say you want to design this in 1 hour, in 30 minutes, yeah, has already finished it in less than 1 minute. So make sure you're learning, because when you learn, you see that you learn new things, right? Information is a new currency, so you need to make sure that you have more information, and that is what we are doing here, right? The more you learn, the more you know, right? If you're not in the know, you can't be in the flow. Knowledge is a new currency. All right. So, okay, this you can do it on ChatGPT. You can also do it on Grok. But ChatGPT, when there's a level you read, they will tell you to subscribe. On Grok, they will tell you to subscribe to Super Grok. But here, you don't need to subscribe. Just use this AI mode to design, and you can ask many questions as you like, right? You can ask any question you like. You can keep improving, but make sure you have the right prompt. Okay, I don't understand prompts. I don't know how to add prompts. What should I do? Just write it. Write me the best prompt to design a YouTube thumbnail. Then you now click on it. That is, you are trying to tell the AI that they should help you. Now they have coded it for you. Just click on copy. Then you click on paste. You click on paste. Look at what they said. Honestly, they aren't even deeper past what they do for you. A professional high click-through rate YouTube thumbnail for crypto trading tutorial. On the left side, a close-up portrait of a dark-skinned man wearing a black base marker with a bold white text that says SollyCrypto. Okay, let's generate it and see. Let me add the picture and let's generate it. Let's see what they have for us. Right, let's see what they have for us. Please subscribe. Please join our community. All right, we have many opportunities coming, and you can't afford to miss any of them. Right, so you can see this picture here. I use AI for all of them too. All this picture here. All right, so let's put the word and let's generate. Right, you just wait, and in less than 1 minute, graphic designer, you need to do better. Honestly, you need to add to your skill, because honestly, even video generation, everything is really on the eye. Understand? AI cannot take your job. Honestly, see this. This is a masterclass. Look at this. Seems we actually do tutorial using this particular one, honestly. And if you want to download it, just click on here. Click on this link to download. It's very simple to download. All right, so if you found this video very helpful, please subscribe and also share with your friends. Knowledge is a new currency, right? So see you in the next video.